So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are covering trees, binary search tree, heap graph sorting. Basically the real data structure starts now, and don't worry, I will explain everything in the simplest way possible with examples plus codings. So relax, grab your coffee and let's start this journey. Alright, first topic, trees. Now, when beginners hear trees, they imagine jungle. But in a programming, trees are one of the most important data structure. Trees store data in a hierarchy, meaning inserted of storing everything in one straight line, data branches out. Think about your laptop folder, main folder, subfolder, files inside them. That's literally a tree. And the coolest part, trees are used almost everywhere: file system, AI, HTML, structure, database. Here we create a node. Every node stores data: left child, right child. Now we create a simple tree. Root node is 1, left child is 2, right child is 3. This print the root value. These are cool, but what if we want fast searching? That's where VST enter the chat. VST stands for binary search tree, and honestly VST is basically a smarter version of tree. It's follow one super rule: smaller value go left, bigger value go right. VST reminds me of the one of VST reminds me of that one organized friend. Everything perfectly arranging while folder looks like choose. Because data stay organized, searching become very fast. If no root exists, create one. If value is smaller, go left. If value is bigger, go right. And because of this structure, VST can search data much faster than normal lists. Now let's move to something super interesting: heap. Heap is another tree-based structure, but this works on priority. Imagine YouTube trending pages. Video with highest popularity appears first. That's basically heap logic. Heaps has two types: maximum heap, minimum heap. Maximum heap are biggest element stay on top. Minimum heap is smallest element on top. Priority systems where use heap, CPU scheduling, game leaderboard, emergency system. We improve Python heap library. This convert the list into a heap. And Python creates a minimum heap by default. Okay, now comes one of the most craziest concept in DSA: graph. A graph is made of nodes, connection between nodes. Think about Instagram. Users are node, followers are connections. That's a graph. And not just a social media, Google Maps, flight routes, internet networks, everything used graph. This is called an adjacent list. This prints all node connections. Now final topic, and trust me, every programmer use this daily: sorting. Sorting simply means arranging data in order, like arranging marks. Lowest marks first, highest marks later. Sorting helps apps become faster searching, better organization, better performance. These loops compare adjacent element. If left element is bigger, sweep them, and slowly the arranging becomes sorted. So finally we learned tree, BST, heaps, graph, sorting, and honestly, if you understand these concepts properly, you are no longer just learning coding. You are starting to think like a programmer. If you enjoying this video, please like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment DSA day 6 to day 10 done. and see you in the next part. Thanks for the watching.